If you try to launch Ninja Gaiden Black 2 on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Ninja Gaiden Black 2. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Ninja Gaiden Black 2 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Ninja Gaiden Black 2 to be scanned for errors. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Ninja Gaiden Black 2. Click on the three dots to open the Ninja Gaiden Black 2 options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Ninja Gaiden Black 2 isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Ninja Gaiden Black 2 data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Ninja Gaiden Black 2 is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Ninja Gaiden Black 2's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. If Ninja Gaiden Black 2 is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Ninja Gaiden Black 2's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Ninja Gaiden Black 2 and its related info will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Ninja Gaiden Black 2 again.